Guys, the stock market is crashing right now. As you can see, straight crashing, man. Every day, every week, the market has been crashing every for basically we had the Trump tariffs coming out, and as you can see, we it caused a lot of fears in the market. You can see that price is just, I don't know, it's just collapsing, man. We are on the weekly chart, as you can see, and it's just a straight candle though. It's crazy. It's just a lot of panic in the market, and I just want to say, if you're buying here, if you're buying in this market, then rest in peace. Rest in peace to all the buyers. uh I wish you the best of luck, because this market is crazy right now. Look at this, man. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, we have the fears, man. I think we have a potential recession, man. If you look at it, a potential recession going down. Maybe we'll see some bounce back in this imbalance, but for now, a lot of panic in the markets, man. A lot of panic. But anyways, I took a trade today, of course, and of course we made money. We gotta make money. If the market is going down, we're making money. If the market is going up, we're making money. Either way we are making money. Okay, it's always important to be improvising in the markets, right? Because if you if you go for straight buys or for straight sells, I mean, now we have straight sells, right? But if you're buying right now, then rest in peace, right? So anyways, let's get into this trade. uh I took a sell today, and of course today we had NFP, right? We had NFP news. Of course, we also had Powell speaking, which also made the market crash even more, right? Yeah, we took this shot. So yeah, first of all, uh we went on a 15-minute, and we can see that this morning price already took sell side, right? So this position was a little tricky right now, because we also had this imbalance, this, right? So obviously my bias is bearish for the day. You already saw this drop here, imbalance. I really thought price was gonna tap the imbalance and then drop, but we did not have that, right? So anyways, we saw this 50-minute imbalance getting rejected when news came, and we had, of course, New York open, and I did not know where price is going, right? I was not sure where price. So let me delete this real quick. I did not know where market was going today, but I did know we had sales, right? So we had the 50-minute inverse was rejecting. We can see price action was not that great. It was actually ass, yeah. But we can see price was chopping around a bit. I was like, okay, what's going on right now? So yeah, I waited for New York open. Still, I did not know the direction, right? So might tap into this imbalance, might not, and today we did not. So of course we had news. News was already bearish in my view, and we can see we had New York open, which was still rejecting this zone, right? This 15-minute imbalance, and I was like, okay, I have no idea what's going on. Let's wait for macro times, right? So at macro times at 9:50, and what we can see here is this 5-minute imbalance, right? This 5-minute inverse. That price was rejecting twice, so we can see the first rejection here, which took out this high, which rejected this 15-minute imbalance and then came up, right? So we had the macro times, which was 9:50. We had 9:50, price came up. We swept these highs, as you can see, these equal highs by like 1 pip, guys, by 1 pip. So I was like, okay, this is interesting, right? Because we are still rejecting this 5-minute inverse. We swap liquidity, macro times, went on the 1 minute, and I saw this imbalance was rejected, right? This 1 minute inverse. So I was like, okay, if this holds, we can potentially enter shorts, right? So we can see nice rejection, and I was like, okay, I think it's time for shorts, right? So I went to the 3 minutes. I saw this change in the state, which basically gave me confirmation in the trade. So this nice change in the state, and we had this 1 minute imbalance rejection, which was nice. Macro times saw some accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, right? Let me pull up the line chart real quick. So yeah, we saw accumulation, manipulation of these highs, and distribution, right? We saw this change in the state, 3 minutes, as you can see, 60, and I basically entered in the market, and this was my short. Entered after the 60. Target was these lows, which I already knew market was gonna dump today because the market is just in free fall, guys. The market is in free fall. So yeah, we had this absolute nice trade today. Great way to end the week, of course. And yeah, so it was a nice trade in general, because we had nice inverse, nice rejection on the 1 minute. Of course, 3 minute change in the state. Absolute beautiful. Targeting sell side, right? And we had TP. We had nice TP. This was my position. As you can see, we entered nicely. And we hit TP. Yes, guys. That was basically the trade, man. Nice shorts. As you can see, the market is still pumping. So yeah, it's now weekend. So go enjoy the weekend, man. Go have some fun. Take some time off the charts. And I will see you guys next week.